In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify store currency. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to switch your store's currency and save the change confidently, plus a few tips to avoid common pitfalls. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. You'll land on your dashboard, which is the control center for everything in your store. From here, head straight to Settings. You'll find it in the lower left corner of the admin. It looks like a small gear icon. Clicking this opens all the core configuration areas for your store. Inside Settings, open the section where your basic store details live. Depending on your view, this may be labeled Store Details or General. This is where Shopify stores key information like your store name, contact info, and, importantly, your currency. Look for the Store Currency area. Next to it, select Change Store Currency. This tells Shopify you want to modify the default currency used for your catalog, orders, and reports. Quick note, if your store has already processed orders, Shopify may lock this setting to protect your reporting and payouts. If you see a lock or warning, you might need to contact Shopify support or adjust through your market's configuration. Don't worry, that's normal and designed to keep your financial data consistent. When the currency picker opens, choose US Dollar, USD Dollar from the list. You may see both the currency name and the symbol together. Click that option to select it. In some layouts, you'll also see a code list. If prompted, choose USD to confirm the currency code. Selecting the correct code ensures your prices, payment provider, and reports all use the same standard. Now, click Save. This is the step that commits the change. Shopify will apply the new currency to your store settings. Keep in mind that changing the store currency does not automatically convert your existing price numbers. It simply changes the currency those numbers represent. For example, a product that was 100 in your previous currency will now be 100 USD, unless you manually update your prices or use a bulk editing tool or pricing app to convert them. After saving, give your admin a moment to refresh. You can preview your storefront to see the new currency symbol appear. If you use Shopify Markets or a currency selector app for international customers, make sure the default market aligns with USD so visitors see the correct currency by default. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened your store details, changed the store currency to US Dollar,